back to the question, how do we make the business case for data governance, and not any business case, but one that will wow those business executives? So that first piece was to identify those drivers and just mention what that value driver is. That's kind of the first piece. And to also, I would say, make sure that we're always tying the importance of data governance to the organization goals. I think we need to make that clear connection that everybody really sees themselves in it. What will be the next step that we need to do?
Identify the problems which exist in the organization. So why would we need data governance? There are some people's problems all around the places. So we have identified the problem in 3 areas mostly. The one area is data scientist problem, right? Where they are not able to move faster than they want to. So the first problem they generally get is that they don't have access to the data, right? And data, if they have access to it, you create a phenomenal value from that. So that is the first problem. Second problem generally they have it is like they don't know what the relationships of the data are. So I'll give you a very good example of it and the ideas. So for example, like let's say that you are a data scientist and you see the table which have the name, address, phone number, etc., etc. And suddenly some executive says that, I wish that we could find some more customers more information. And like, this is the only information we collect. How can we find more information from it? But there are ways out there. The ways is you have an address, right? It have a city, it have a zip code. You can put this to Zillow API and get their house price. And now you suddenly know the net worth of the customer. You don't know the exact net worth, but you know that, okay, I know that how much, somebody is living in $1 million house, $10 million house, $500,000, or, you get another component immediately. And now you can segment it based on their net worth. Ideas. So those are the various ideas. You get it when you discuss more with the business people, because business people, it's very important to discuss those with business people. So those are the various areas like data scientist problems are there. They need to have access to the data. They need to know the relationship between those data sources. What kind of relationship exists? How can I join these data sources? How can I get more value out of it? Right?